Hi there, it's Eileen from the Hair Club. We're going to show you one of our many frontal pieces that we have. They come in many different colors and sizes. This one here is called the Harper, and as you can see, it's got a fringe that we've cut in and we've matched it up to the client's color of her hair and length, and everything's just tweaked up to match the client's shape and color. So they're great for women that don't want to wear clips or tapes. They're literally just a headband that's customized onto the piece. There's an invisible string here that hooks on at the nape of the neck here. So that's what it looks like underneath. It's a nice simple piece, and I'm gonna now show you how we put it on. So we just place it at the client's front area there, and the drawstring literally comes right to the nape of the neck there. And then all your hair comes out. It's easier if you tie your hair up in a ponytail, but the string there is tucked in right underneath, right down here, and it's got a drawstring so you can make it tighter or you can loosen it. Front piece, no tapes, no clips, just an invisible string.